4332 West 156 update video, first update video. As you can see, it's a little bit cloudy out, but the weather is good. There's no snow. That's all gone. You can see we're going to be replacing that roof up there on the roof. Look at that big rabbit back there. If you can see it, it's huge. But this one has all siding, all that put together. And I believe we're painting the outside. I know we are, so that'll be all. These colors will all be changing because they're kind of faded, so it'll look brand new. Here's the inside. So you see we got it all ripped out. Getting ready. They'll start painting it here next week. We're prepping it, getting it ready to go. Big living room, big kitchen, unfinished cabinets. We're going to finish all this out. It's going to look really good. And we'll put in, of course, there's going to be all new flooring, luxury plank. There's 2 bathrooms in here already, so we're going to be redoing all these bathrooms. They're all going to look pretty much brand new. Newer furnace, we're not going to replace that. So that one's good. And then we're going to check that water heater out. This is kind of a hallway type situation here. We'll go upstairs. It's a big house, 4 bedroom, I believe. Excuse me, it's a 3 bedroom. It's almost a 4 bedroom. This right here, we're going to make into a study. So this has a lot of potential. So we'll take all this stuff out and put the luxury vinyl on here and make this a study. Someone can sit in here and have an office. But the bedrooms are big. Here's the other bathroom. We're going to again make it look brand new. We're going to paint all this, plugs, switches. It's going to be nice when we're done with it. As you can see, these bedrooms are pretty big. The house is in good shape, so the roof looks really good. So get that taken care of. You see he's prepping it to spray. I think he sprayed this. This is actually sprayed, so he did paint some of it. So they had to go do the final touch-ups on one other job. But they'll be back here. Be a different video next week. But you can see got all this sprayed up here, first coat anyway. Really nice house. This is the big master. You got 2 closets in this one, so it's really nice. So there's your video. And like I said, next week we'll be doing a lot more. If you have any questions, please call me. Thanks. Brett with Key Realty. Thank you.